Hi, in this video we'll cover regular expression in Mozenda. So we're going to go over what regular expression is, when to use regular expression, and how to use regular expression within Mozenda. So regular expression is a sequence of characters that define a search pattern. Basically, it's a language that allows you to parse a text body. So if you want to scrape specific numbers or words within a body of text, you can use regular expression to do so. The best use cases for regular expression is when you are unable to separate text into different fields. This may include addresses or emails, names, or even numbers. If you are unable to use XPath within Mozenda to separate your fields, you may want to try regular expression to capture the text in a format you desire. So let's check out an example. So you can see on this web page here, if I open up the DOM window and hover over the names here, so this is a cattle site. So I'm going to hover over the names, and if you look here, you'll notice that the contact information for each person is found within the same section within the HTML. So basically this means that each name and associated contact information cannot be separated out with XPath. However, we can use regular expression to separate this out and get each name with the associated contact information by establishing a pattern and then capturing a list. So before writing our own custom regular expression for our capture action, we can see if Mozenda will actually auto-detect the fields and input a generalized regular expression in the capture definition. So let's see if Mozenda will do that. So all I'm going to do to activate this is simply just click on the name. So in this example, let's say I want to get the name and then maybe some of the information underneath. So I'm going to click on the first name here and say capture text. You'll notice that Mozenda automatically suggests text that it wants to pick up. So address, city, state, and zip, phone number, and email address. If I want to use these, I'll just say yes, save, okay, and then go check it out. You'll notice here, you'll see all what Mozenda was able to capture. If I want to inspect what Mozenda wrote as the capture definition, I can go to Refine Capture Text. I'll right-click and go to Refine Capture Text. You notice here, I'll have a series of capture definitions of regular expression, this box checked, for capturing the website address. You see address 1, address 2, city, state, zip, email, phone. And I can just hit cancel here and I'll still have my capture text preview. However, if this is not the format that I want to capture, or if it's not the list that I want, I'm going to need to write my own. So my own regular expression. So I'm going to right click on this guy and hit delete. Okay, so we're going to go through the same process on how to write our own regular expression as we did with the previous capture text, except we're going to provide our own field name. So to do this, just click on the text here and say capture text. Okay, Mozenda will then suggest, hey, is this what you want to capture? It is, but it doesn't put it in the format that I want, so I'm going to provide my own unique field name for this. I'm just going to call it name. All right, now I'm going to select save and refine. So currently, you'll notice that the name is being defined as the entire text body. What I want to do is only capture this name and switch it to regular expression. To do this, I'm going to check the box that says regular expression, and then I'll write my own customized regular expression here based on the format that I desire. And as you can see here, I get the name. If I want to capture more information, I can write out more capture definitions or add to this capture definition. Also, if I'm capturing different sections in a list, I have the ability to capture lists. What this will do is capture every condition it finds based on what I've captured in my capture definition here. So to learn more on how to better your regular expression skills, feel free to check out all the free tutorials online. So for now, that wraps up our regular expression within Mozenda. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.